Hello to the amazing Sweepy community. I'm so glad you have joined us for this November Kiss. And I would strongly encourage anyone undecided to join because we have a great design for you this month. 'Tis the season of Christmas, so we are making this jolly Noel hanger, perfect for hanging up this festive season. The Noel hanger is made up of 4-letter blocks, the N, O, E and L, and can be made in 3 different size hoops, the 4x4, 5x5 and the 6x6. In this instructional video, I will demonstrate the stitch out of the E letter block and how to finish off your hanger. We recommend you follow our photograph written instructions provided in conjunction with this instructional video. The benefit of joining our November Kiss Facebook group is you can receive a 30% discount on your Noel hanger at checkout. The link for that Facebook group will be in the description below, so go check that out. And please remember to post photos of your completed Noel hanger because we truly love seeing all the different versions you guys make. If you found this video tutorial helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. Alrighty, enjoy the video. Begin by hooping up wash-away stabilizer in the hoop and load the design onto your machine. Use applique scissors for trimming the batting and fabric. Stitch the place line for the letter. Place batting 1 and optional cutaway or bag stiffener the same size on top of the hoop, covering the placement line, and then stitch the batting down. Remove the hoop from your machine and trim the batting and optional cutaway stabilizer if used, about 1 to 2 millimeters from the stitching. Place fabric A right side up on top of the hoop covering the placement line and stitch down. Remove the hoop from your machine and trim the fabric about 1 to 2 millimeters from the stitching. Repeat the applique process with the wings using fabric B. Trim. Repeat the applique process with the dress using fabric C. Trim. Repeat the applique process with the angel's hair using a piece of fabric large enough to cover the placement line. And trim. Embroider the candle, then embroider the flame. Remove the hoop from your machine and flip it over so the wrong side is facing up. Trim any long threads. Place fabric D right side up on top of the back of the hoop, covering all the stitching, and tape in place. Return the hoop to the machine and stitch down. Trim around fabric D about 1 to 2 millimeters from the stitching, without cutting the stitching. Make sure you do not cut through the WSS. There should be no fabric in the seams at this point. Trim any long threads again. For these next 5 satin stitch steps, make sure the bobbin is the same color as your top thread and trim any long threads. First, embroider the satin stitch around the letter. Then embroider the satin stitch around the wings. Embroider the satin stitch around the body. And embroider the satin stitch around the hair. Embroider the face and the hands of the angel, then embroider the halo. Well done, you have now completed the stitch out of the letter E block. Remove your work from the hoop and trim away the excess stabilizer. Now hold aside until all your blocks are made. Now dissolve the soluble stabilizer in water. Place the block in a bowl or tub of water. Or another option that we found worked well was putting the blocks into a washing machine on a cold cycle. We suggest putting a colour catcher into the water with your block in case of any leaking colour dye. Soak the block until it does not feel sticky anymore and then allow it to dry. Once you have done that to all your blocks, you can join them together. We use ribbon for joining our blocks. Awesome work, your hanger is now complete. Well folks, let's take a moment and enjoy our wonderful creations. Thank you so much for taking part in the November Kiss. I had so much fun making this video and really hope you join me again for the next Keeping It Simple sew along. If you found this video helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. Check out our website for the world's best machine embroidery designs and sewing essentials at swepea.com. That is swpea.com. That's all from me. Until next time.